Good morning, everyone. This is Juana, and today I'd like to share with you my first guest design team project for the month of August for Julie at ks4u.net. And what I have today is an altered file folder, and it's done in hues of creams. And we should get started. First of all, this measures 9 by 6.5. And so on the front here, I have this beautiful lace, which is from Julie's shop. And I used it as the closure. I used a kilt pin to hold it together. And so we will undo this and show you what we have going on here. And all I did was pin the pin to this crochet light trim here that I used as a belly band. And you can see the pin is just pinned there. Also, I added this trim from my stash. And then here is a card. And I just put a little of her crochet trim on the edge of this card. I left the back this way so you can journal on it if you like. And then here is another card. And I'm trying to find the kit that I used with this, and I am having a hard time finding it. I don't know where it's at to be able to tell you what I used. But anyway, there's this card, and I just added 3 little heart-shaped flat back beads to the corner. And I inked the edges. And this card with this lady is permanent here. So you have the belly band here. And then you have a pocket here, which is made with Julie's lace. And in this pocket is another card. And with the crochet trim on the end. The back is plain for you to journal on. Then in this top pocket here, I added another card and I cut out these little flowers from another trim and added some little flat back beads to the center of each flower. And the back is plain that you can journal on. Here is a tag, another tag, and here's a little envelope. And I did not seal it, and I printed a lined paper on the back of it so you can journal on this. And then she tucks back right in there. And this here, I made a scrappy pad, all for journaling. And it's just a small stack of different papers, tea dyed paper, coffee dyed paper, printed paper, and so forth. And of course, you can journal on the back. And I have this cinched with this cream colored chiffon ribbon. And in the next pocket, let's see, no. Okay, so this is the front and it has 1, 2, and 3. And the spine I covered with this gimp. I made it wide so that I could accommodate a small journal in there. This is the inside front cover, and I just added some lace and little flower in there. And then we go over here, and I use this embroidered lace to make a tuck spot. And in this tuck spot is just a little card here on which you can journal on. And this beautiful page here is adorned with this crochet lace from Julie's shop. And this happens to be a pocket, a top-loading pocket, to which I added this large tag with some of Julie's lace on the top, and the back is plain. And so we turn the page, and here is some coffee dyed paper, journaling papers, so that you can journal on. This is the middle of the signature, and I just added pockets with Julie's lace and a page on each one for you to be able to journal on. And these are the other sides of the pages. And then this page, I made it into a hideaway pocket and just made another large tag and adorned it with the little heart-shaped flat back beads on the top in the center of each flower. And she tucks right, okay, she tucks right back in there. And then we come to the back inside cover, and I use this beautiful applique from Julie's shop, and it can be used as a little tuck spot. And so that's the 5-folder part of this project. I decided to make a little clutch folder to hold the journal in. And so I used this ticking fabric from my stash, and then I added this lace, and I hand beaded vintage pearls all over this lace. On the flap, I added this teardrop bead lace. I added this little embroidered flower that from my stash, and this is Julie's lace, and to which I also added some of the vintage pearl beads. And to the top, I added this beaded trim from my own stash, and it's closed with Velcro. On the inside, I lined it with this beautiful cotton fabric to match the ticking. And then she will slide back in there that way, and we seal her up. And then on the back, I used another piece of lace, like a tuck spot, and then I added just another little naked journal, and she is bound with some seam binding, so you can add pages to her if you so wish. And like I said, she's naked, just waiting for you to journal in her. It's another piece of pretty paper, and another coffee or something paper. I don't remember where I got that from, but, and this is the middle of the signature. And like I said, she's bound with a length of seam binding ribbon, so it would be pretty easy for you to add or take out papers as you wish. And so this is my first GDT project for ks4u.net, and Julie has a Facebook page by that name, KS4U, and I will leave all the other information in the description box below, and this will be available for sale. You can contact me for the price and other information through my email, which is juanalisa@yahoo.com, or you can send me a message through Facebook Messenger. Again, I will leave all that information in the description box below, and I thank you for being here. Bye.